Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to add 3 indicator in TradingView, a multiple moving average setup, a easy guide. So firstly you can simple open your chart which one you want, okay? Then after you can simple click on indicator in top navigation bar. After that here you can simple set your moving average like EMA. If you want a moving average exponential you can simple tap on it. Here you will see it will add here, okay? Another one you can simple type here moving average. Then here you will see many type of moving average available, okay? So here you can choose your moving of average. So so now I open three different moving average. So here it is. So now once I open it, three different moving average, so I added here two. First one EMA and second one KAMA. And now I can also add here a third one. So I will add here moving AVER average. So now I add here the ribbon average. Done. So uh, wait, the all are paid. So these are also paid. Don't worry, we can select the free one. So I think for free version it will only allow to add a two moving averages, but here you can add multiple which one you want, and the all are showing here. Okay, here you will see first one and the second one, and also the line here you will find the first one line is this and the second one is this, the green one. Okay, goodbye.